Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about articles. We will know what is articles and types of articles with examples. So let's get started. So basically articles are used to modify a noun. There are two types of articles in English language, which is indefinite articles, second definite articles. First we will know about indefinite articles. A and N are called indefinite articles because they are used before an indefinite person or thing. Second, definite articles. The is called definite article because it is used before a definite person or thing. Let's see how to use articles the, a and n. Almost every sentence that you say, hear, read or write contains articles. Yet most people cannot define what role these words play in the English language. Simply put, articles define a noun as particular or non-particular. The definite article the is used for specific nouns, while the indefinite article a or an is used for non-specific nouns, as seen in the following examples. Okay, so here you can see two types of sentences and both are correct, but how we have to understand. Donald wants to eat dinner at the new restaurant in Los Angeles. Second sentence, you can see Donald wants to eat dinner at a new restaurant in Los Angeles. So, while both sentences are grammatically correct, they have slightly different meanings. The use of the article the is the first sentence makes it clear that Donald is referring to a specific restaurant. The use of the article a in the second sentence shows that Donald is simply looking for any new culinary experience the city has to offer. As mentioned above, the word the limits the noun being modified to something singular and specific. One of the most common words in the English language that can be used with singular, plural and uncountable nouns, as seen below. Singular, she went to the rally about gun violence this afternoon. Plural, she went to the rallies about gun violence this week. Uncountable, she could feel the passion in the air at the rally. So, as we can say, the is called definite articles because it is used before a definite person or thing. Let's move on. A and the indefinite article. The indefinite articles of a and n are used when the noun being modified is general and non-specific. For example, John asked Sophia to buy a bottle of wine to have with dinner. In second sentence, the children are excited to see an elephant at the zoo today. So here you can see two types of sentences and both are correct. In the first sentence, John is not concerned with which particular bottle of wine he will have with dinner, but rather than Sophia should buy and any bottle. In the second sentence, the children don't care which elephant they will see at the zoo, but simply that they will see any elephant. Unlike the indefinite articles can only be used before singular nouns. So basically we can say in definite articles a or an are called indefinite articles because they are used before an indefinite person or thing. As we know, a is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a consonants like B, C, Z, except A, E, I, O, U. Examples like a dress, a man, a horse, a car. And an is used before a singular countable noun beginning with a vowel like A, E, I, O, U. As example, an umbrella, an ugly man, an ox, an Indian, etc. And remember, we used an before words beginning with a silent H because they give the sound of vowel, like an honorable man, and also used before individual letters spoken with a vowel sound, like an MLA, an MP, etc. So here we are closing our topic because it's completed now, and hope you understood. So friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching.